Unlock the power of anywhere, anytime document management with the DocuSign app. First, locate and tap the DocuSign app icon on your mobile device to open it. Once inside, you'll land on your homepage here. You can see documents that have been sent to you, your inbox, and importantly, quick access to signed documents. To sign a document, tap the Sign button. You'll then have options to upload a document directly from your phone's storage or connect to popular cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. After selecting your document, you'll be presented with the signing interface at the bottom. You'll find all the tools you need. Sign for your signature, initial for your initials, date to add timestamps, and text to fill in any fields. To apply your signature, tap the Sign icon. A signature pad will appear. You can then draw your signature directly on the screen. Once you're happy, tap Done, and drag your signature to the designated spot on the document. Similarly, use the Initial tool for your initials and the Date tool to conveniently add the current date. Need to fill in a text field? Simply tap the Text tool and type what you need directly onto the document. When you're ready to send a document, tap the Send button. Usually found in the top right corner, you can then enter the recipient's email address, add a personalized message, and send it off. Back on the home page, you can easily track the status of all your sent documents under the Sent tab, and for anything awaiting your signature, you'll find it clearly marked in your inbox. The DocuSign app puts the power of secure and efficient document management right in your pocket. Download it today and experience the freedom of signing on the go.